other two aircraft are Wing Commander Munir Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system, and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advance of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Savitri, with Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीर डोगरा, विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर, विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान, वायु गर्जन, वायु वेगा, ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
Formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kute, along with Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj Preet, and Squadron Leader Rahul Kishore, along with Squadron Leader Rohit Anand. Air Base. AN-32, a strong, rugged airplane with a mighty roar, is the workhorse of the Indian Air Force transport fleet.
डोनियर इस फॉर्मेशन में 41 स्क्वाड्रन से आदर्श बाग के समय पर सहायता।
Satluj formation. The Doniers belonging to 41 Squadron, also known as the Otters, with the motto Samay Par Sahayata. They had the role of air calibration of the IF air fleets. And now, the Rakshak formation, debuting on the Gantavya Path today for the maiden formation flypath, Rakshak, the Donier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000 lives from the unforgiving ocean. The formation led by DIG Kamal Bharadwaj and other aircraft flown by DIG Siddharth Bhandari and Commandant Jayant Thorat.
रक्षक फॉर्मेशन राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक के ऊपर से गुजरता हुआ।
The Indian Coast Guard Doniers, capable of carrying out maritime reconnaissance, search and rescue, pollution response, maritime security, anti-piracy and assistance to fishermen at sea. And now the next formation, Arjun formation. Formation comprising 1 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
2 C-295 विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ, और इस फॉर्मेशन का नाम अर्जुन फॉर्मेशन मार्शल ऑफ द एयरफोर्स अर्जुन सिंह के नाम पर रखा गया है। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन अंकित राज सिंह कर रहे हैं।
The Sukhoi 30 air dominance fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The PHI is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft equipped with the state-of-the-art sensors and weaponry, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi 30 flown by Captain Manoj Yadav and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal. PHI airborne today from Air Force Station Jaisalmer, while the Sukhoi is airborne from Air Force Station Jodhpur. This formation is flying at a speed of 555 kilometers per hour. Formation led by Commander Ruchit Kaur.
एक के बाद एक विमान।
Beam formation. Now gracing the skies is the awe-inspiring beam formation. Leading this majestic display is the C-17 Globemaster, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
बीम फॉर्मेशन में एक C-17 और 2 Su-30 विमान एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए दिख रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन समीर तेजावन के नेतृत्व में। साथ में ग्रुप कैप्टन ध्रुव कुमार और विंग कमांडर सुधीर पी।
Heavily transport aircraft C-17 taken off today from Air Station Hindon, while the Sukhois got airborne from Jodhpur. Formation flying at a speed of 555 kilometers. Led by Group Captain Sandeep Nithawan, mentioned in dispatches. Sukhois flown by Group Captain Dhruv Kumar, Vice Admiral, and Wing Commander Sudeep P.
को ढूंढ रही हैं और एक के बाद एक हैरत अंगेज कारनामे करते हुए फॉर्मेशन आगे बढ़ते हुए।
And now time for faster moves with pure fighter formations in relief. Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its fast design and adaptability, capable of performing in challenging environments and thus a valuable asset for close air support, precision strike and reconnaissance missions. And there you can see 5 Jaguars in arrow formation led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. The other members of the formation, Wing Commander Ujjwal K. Mishra, Wing Commander Bharat Singh, Squadron Leader A.K. Shah, and Squadron Leader Aditya Jamdagni.
अमृत फॉर्मेशन 5 जैगुआर विमान भारत की विजय थे। आदर्श वाक्य फॉर्मेशन का नाम अमृत काल, भारत का विजन 2047।
Near Meghalaya and flying at a speed of 750 kilometers per hour. Today led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. Marvels the choreography of Bar. 6 Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path had stopped to stare at these Rafales. 6 Rafale fighter aircraft flying majestic formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Mohit Tyagi, Squadron Leader Arun Agrawal, and Squadron Leader Sanangi Singh, all from 17th Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम 6 राफेल विमान।
Series, we have the Trishul formation.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंतर का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचय।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15th Squadron. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 NKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हैं।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
काम कर रखिए।
And in command of Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi along with Flight Lieutenant. So now, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknur, flying with their motto, Anvishya Vedi or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek.